Hi there. So I have built this database for our CV matching platform that helps recruitment companies find the best candidate for job. So let me walk you through what I have created in the backend test folder. I have organized everything in two main folders: the migration folder with six SQL files and seed folders with five SQL files. So in the migration folder, oh, what happened? Okay, so in the migration folder, so first in 001 create organization.sql file, I set up the organization table, which is basically the foundation of the system. And this is where we store all the recruitment companies using our platform, each with a unique ID, name, and subscription type like free, basic, premium, or enterprise. That's up to them. So I also added a row level security right from the start, so companies can only see their own data. So let's go into OO2 create user.sql file. So I created the user tables where we store recruiters and admins with details like email, secure password, name, and role. And each user is linked to their organization. And I added constraints uh, to keep emails unique and roles valid, like plus a trigger for timestamps. So, uh, we move to third file O3 create job posting.sql file. So in this file, like this one handles job description with titles, requirements, and skills, like link back to the recruitment who created them. So it also tracks status like draft, active, or closed. So I added indexes for faster search along with the full text search vector. So recruiter can find jobs quickly. So next screen to create candidates. So I built two related tables, like one for candidate info like name, email, and phone, and other for CVs with the actual file size, and most important that the extracted text that our AI will analyze. The service table is linked both to candidate and then and to the user who uploaded them. So let's move. That's all about that folder. So let's move in that file. Oh, create matching SQL results. So in this file, this is where the magic happens. Like this is the main file where magic is happening. Okay, so like it store matches between job posting and CVs, including the match score from 0 to 100. Like it's a AI generated summary like strengths and weaknesses. So it links directly to both jobs and the CV. So recruiter can instantly see why someone is or is not a fit for this job. So recruiter can easily find the best match for their job. So let's move to create additional RLS policies.sql file. Okay, so in this file, I add extra security like functions to set and get the current organization contacts, like checks to make sure user can only edit their own records, and rules that completely isolate data between your organization. So now for testing, I built some data too, like a seed folder. In this folder I have sample of data. So now let's start it with one sample organization. So I added four example companies, like you can see, like uh like a tech recruiting and global staffing solutions, talent finders, and startup hire. So each on different subscription plans. So then move to this file, or 002 sample users.sql file. So I added recruiters and admins for each company with for realistic names and emails. So we can test different permission levels. Okay. So in 003 sample job posting.sql file. Okay, so in this file, I created detailed job as like senior full stack developer and UX UI designer. So each with a proper description and statuses, so the AI has a good text to work with. So where each company is like they have a different tech stack. Like this have JavaScript, Node.js, Docker, Kubernetes, and this is looking for the React, TypeScript. So I have different stack, MongoDB, and here you can see Linux, Docker. So let's move to sample candidates and cv.sql file. Okay. So I added realistic candidates with name, emails, phone numbers, and CVs that included extracted text like skills, education, and work experience. So the system has diverse data to test against. So that's all thing is doing in that folder. So let's move into the final file, sample matching results. So in this file we are matching the results. So I seeded some examples. AI matches between jobs and candidates with scores like scores, summary, strength, and weakness. For example, one candidate might be a great fit at React but weaker at databases. So the results range from high to low. So we can see how the system present different quality matches altogether. This system lets recruiters upload hundreds of CVs, compare them against jobs, and get a AI-powered match results. All while keeping used companies' data secure in their own space. So that's all thing I'm doing in that. So yeah, that's all about. I hope you like the video and understand the concept. What